This is actually our very first truck stop.
Yep. Very first truck
parking
stop.
We've never parked in a truck stop. Well, hello. We had a big night last night, yesterday, a big day, and we're in Knoxville, Tennessee. Decided to park last night at the Cracker Barrel down here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and it has been noisy all night. We had a garbage truck come in about 2 times and bumping his dumpster around, and now we got the lawn service out there, which I understand the lawn service, you gotta get her done before the sun comes up. But then we had a freight train in the distance, which wasn't in the distance for a while, it was close, and then we had cars riding through here. And so my advice, don't park at the Cracker Barrel in Knoxville, Tennessee on Sunday night. Don't do it, because you won't get no sleep. Doing their job out there, boy. Which it is daylight now, and you know, they're probably out there saying, we gotta do our job, you know, them folks, they ought to be awake. And they're right to a certain extent, but anyway, oh well.
Running down here to Walgreens. See our bus back there? You can probably still see it in the background. But we're running down here, me and John, because we are out of hand sanitizer. I've got to have some kind. I've got On Guard, but it's not really in a container I can take in, and we're fixing to go eat, and we want to be able to sanitize because it's a buffet, and I'm kind of germaphobe when it comes to buffets. I actually can't stand to think about touching buffet stuff. But anyway, so me and John are walking down here to the Walgreens in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're waiting on some friends to get up here to the Pizza Inn, and that's where we're gonna eat lunch today. So our RV is straight ahead. Straight ahead. So peoples, we are having a little bit of a down day. Not down as in sad, but down as in not working really. We met up with some friends here in Knoxville, did lunch, and now we're headed over to the Flying J to try and find us a parking space. It's Labor Day, so we're going early, hoping that all the spots aren't taken and everything. But anyway, so that's what we're doing today. Here's Johnny. we're singing at a church up here in Knoxville. And then Thursday we'll be headed back to Atlanta. We just wanted to get on here and tell you guys what we're doing. We stayed at a Cracker Barrel last night and it was not pleasant.
No.
And so tonight we decided to take the advice of a friend and we're staying at a Flying J truck stop. And so we just wanted to get out and show you guys where we're parked. So this is where we are. We're in front of Gabriel. Johnny's drinking his coffee. And this is where we're parked. And there's like, as the night goes on, a few more RVs have been coming in.
Yeah, they sliding in.
Mm-hmm.
We came in earlier today because we were tired.
Yeah.
We didn't feel like riding around very much.
No, we were tired, so
they've got, this is pretty good.
Yeah.
This is actually our very first truck stop.
Yep. Very first truck
parking
stop.
in. We've never parked in a truck stop.
So
We've stayed at Cracker Barrel, Walmart's, where else?
Churches, lots of churches.
And
So
then
not Church's Chicken, but churches.
and then our in-laws' house in Griffin, Griffin, Georgia, but never at Flying J. This is the one in
Knoxville.
This is Knoxville.
This is the only one in Knoxville.
Okay, yeah. This is this is Watts Road in Knoxville, Tennessee.
Right.
And it's a pretty nice Flying J.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys
so
the
far.
lineup. See, that's the RV parking right there.
And you got truck parking on the other side.
Yeah, and then I'll show you the truck parking in just a minute too. So.
There you go. Look at there.
Yeah.
Nighttime.
Yeah, I had to make it nighttime to get it to show up. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, this is the Flying J. I think we got a little too much lighting on them. And so these are the other RVs. There's Johnny really close up. And there's Gabriel right there. So that end spot, no, it's still two. Yeah. Isn't Gabriel pretty right there? Let's take a
He
picture
looks
of
good at night.
him. Anyway, yeah. This is our spot for the night, in case you're wondering.
Good evening.
Say it.
You caught me in a bad time.
A bad time. Just do it.
Okay.
If you're still breathing,
There's still hope.